Welcome back everyone to the Audacious Witch channel where we talk about the magic behind the stock market. Fubo stock just exploded 250% in a single day. To some people, this might seem ludicrous. To me, this makes total sense. Doesn't that just prove the stock market is magic? This is all a game, and you have to be a player to win. At least we are just playing in the stock market. You wouldn't be dead if you lose. You would just be wasted. In this video, I will give you my reaction to Disney's merger with Fubo. Fubo stock was a hidden opportunity. There are at least 4 more similar opportunities still left hidden in today's stock market. I will share 3 stocks out of 4 with you in this video. Right after this important message. Audacious Money Witch is on a mission to help you find freedom in life through the magic of the stock market. Thank you for liking and subscribing at Audacious Witch. Thank you to all of my club members. The 4th stock is only available via Audacious Money Witch Investing Club.
First, you have to know that someday that you are going to die, said Tyler Durden. Before that happened, do you wish you have the courage to live a life true to yourself and not the life others expected of you? Mr. White said, never give up control. Live life on your own terms.
I've been living with cancer for the better part of a year. Right from the start, it's a death sentence.
Well, guess what? Every life comes with a death sentence. But until then, who's in charge? Me. That's how I live my life.
Yesterday is gone and tomorrow isn't guaranteed. The only moment we truly have is now. We often live as if the future is promised to us, as if we'll always have time to do the things that really matter. But all we have is now. So instead of waiting for some time in the future to do what you want to do, why not start today? Because in today's stock market, valuation doesn't matter. Earnings don't matter. No earnings? No problem. Stocks go up. Here's 250% in a day. Don't spend it all in one place. Low sales? No problem. Quantum stocks leap 2,000% in a month. If you think that's a bubble, people will tell you it's a new paradigm. What a magical time in the stock market. Opportunities are everywhere. Just know this is not a normal market environment. So what the fuck just happened with Fubo? For Fubo, Disney gives them a bunch of cash, a bunch of new subscribers, and a partnership with Disney. Now, past this initial amount of money, I don't see any long-term revenue here with it. The big reason why I think Disney did this deal is because Fubo agrees to settle its lawsuit with Disney allowing the launch of venue sports. These companies have gone to court and said, hey, Fubo agreed to settle this. We would like you to lift the injunction preventing us from launching this new live TV service they had hoped to launch back in the fall of 2024.
Let's talk about the 3 hidden opportunity stocks. Number 1, Roku beats street estimates as the cable competitor reaches a milestone of 90 million.
90 million streaming households in just the first week of January. This indicates a 4 million household addition in its 4th quarter. You can see shares up 1.5%, but earlier in the pre-market, they were up over 5.7%. Also, improved monetization that could anchor 2025 gains. So they're really kind of broadening it out to a bigger growth story for the year here.
Yeah, and I think that's why, or maybe that justifies this move higher that we are seeing here in early action. When you take a look at this name, it hasn't done too much over the last month. We have shares still in the red, but when you take a look at maybe a little bit of a longer term chart, and you got the 6-month chart as well, that's showing gains of just about 30%. So we are seeing just the streaming dominance here from Roku. So again, when you talk about the momentum heading into the new year, I think that very much explains some of the growth trajectory and the optimism surrounding this name here, just in terms of maybe those additions that we could continue to get here in the months to come.
And potential new catalysts.
Yeah, well, we'll see.
It continues to get incrementally harder to argue against Roku's reach. Why Roku is a hidden opportunity stock? I got 2 points for you. The first one, it's misunderstood. Is it hardware or software? Is it an advertising company? Investors are confused.
Roku, the #1 selling TV OS in the US, Canada, and Mexico, has surpassed 90 million streaming households in the first week of January 2025, a significant milestone as streaming becomes the leading way to watch TV. As the top-selling TV OS for over 5 years in the US, Roku is nearly half of all US broadband households. Roku's extensive scale sets us apart in the streaming industry, with more engagement than any other TV OS platform in the US, said Anthony Wood, founder and CEO of Roku. Thanks to our laser focus on simplifying and enhancing the streamer's journey, Roku is the preferred choice of millions of viewers. I'm grateful to our customers, partners, advertisers, and employees for helping us reach this notable milestone. In 2024, Roku celebrated 10 years of the Roku TV program and 15 years since the launch of Roku's first connected streaming device, with millions of units sold to customers globally. Roku TVs and devices deliver an unparalleled viewing experience with a simple and iconic interface, seamless navigation, and a commitment to excellence that sets the standard in streaming. Last year, Roku continued to introduce innovative features that enhance the TV experience, including backdrops, which transforms any Roku TV into a work of art, and Roku Smart Picture, which automatically optimizes picture quality. The second point for the hidden opportunity is Roku and Trade Desk. These two companies could merge. If this marriage happens, it could be good for both companies, especially in Roku stock, because Trade Desk is a much bigger company. Just like Disney and Fubo deal, my Disney stock didn't change that much, but it benefits Fubo shareholders. Similarly, Roku stock will jump when Roku and Trade Desk merge. Roku TVs and streaming players offer incredible value for customers, with an always expanding content library, including over 500 free live linear channels in the US, premium exclusive content, and thousands of free on-demand options. The Roku Channel is a top 10 streaming service in the US and has seen over 80% year-over-year growth.
Roku devices featuring the Roku experience form the foundation of Roku's platform business, which encompasses advertising and subscription. Advertisers love Roku because it's a leading to all TV, featuring unique advertising experience like Roku City and Sports Zone.
Number 2 stock, Snap. The Supreme Court hears arguments in TikTok's appeal of the federal law that would shut down the social media app in the US. The law would ban TikTok in the US starting on January 19th, unless the video app's parent, ByteDance, sells TikTok to a non-Chinese company. I think what will harm TikTok could substantially benefit Snapchat, given that 70% of Snapchat users also have TikTok. According to a report from Apptopia, Snapchat is rolling out an expanded creator monetization program only days after the TikTok ban. The program will launch on February 1st and aims to expand the monetization opportunities to spotlight videos meant to be shared with followers and friends alike.
You just unveiled your next generation of spectacles, their augmented reality glasses, and also an operating system for developers. When will consumers be able to buy these devices, and how much are they going to cost? Who are you competing with here?
Thanks, Julia. We are so excited that you're here with us today at the Snap Partner Summit, and we're even more excited about the Snap Spectacles. The 5th generation is out today, featuring our all-new operating system that's based on natural interaction. So you just use your hands and your voice to interact with augmented reality. And what's so exciting about Spectacles is that it brings us closer to our vision for people using computing together, grounded in the real world with their friends And that's something we've been working on for a long time now.
But so we also have two other giants who've been working on this, which are Apple and Meta. They've been throwing a ton of money on this. We have yet to see augmented reality go mainstream. Why does it make sense to invest so much in this at a time when your stock is down 43% year to date?
We've also yet to see augmented reality glasses from either of those companies. So it'll be interesting to see if they follow our lead here. I think the reason why we're so convinced that AR glasses are the path forward is because people are getting tired of screens. And we've worked really hard to try to innovate with screens, to make them better, to make them more fun to use. But at the end of the day, they're just screens. And people feel isolated by their screens. They feel like it takes them away from their friends and family. Glasses are a way to use computing that actually brings us together and keeps us, connected with the real world.
Explain how this fits in with your overall business. I mentioned the stock is down 43% year to date. Explain to investors what you're doing to help turn the stock around.
Well, we're really excited about the growth of the Snapchat community, which now reaches over 850 million people all over the world. And we're on pace for record annual revenue this year, driven by the engagement across the platform and the investments we've been making in our direct response advertising platform, especially for small and medium-sized customers.
How long will we start to see those investments boost your bottom line?
Well, the key to generating revenue is making great products that people love and want to use. And that's always been our focus. That's driven the growth of our community, the engagement with our products. And we're really excited about the way that people are going to use AR glasses. We think we're at a bit of a watershed moment. People are getting fed up with their screens and the way that they make them feel. And developers are feeling frustrated about, developing for the smartphone platform.
I think the new program should further help push users to post more on the platform, leading to more engagement, thus more ad revenue. Number 3 stock, Trulieve, had a lot to gain if Florida had passed its recreational Mary Jane bill during the last election. 70% of the company's 2020 Michael Jackson's retail shops are in Florida.
Since the disappointing news, the Trulieve stock has fallen 62%. The sentiment is extremely negative, and investors are getting frustrated and impatient. However, the company overall shows increasing revenues and gross margins. Free cash flow has been consistent, and the company expects to end 2024 with a positive free cash flow. Operating costs have increased due to the company's rapid expanding its operations. Company's assets outweigh its liabilities. Trulieve's financial performance is expected to stay the same, so it's low bar. If the industry's legislation changes in the US, the company will have a plethora of upside to gain because it is so well positioned across the nation. Trulieve is outperforming its peers. The other MJ stocks have dropped significantly in price over the last year, way more than Trulieve.
This video is not financial advice. You must do your own research before investing. That being said, if anyone felt FOMO looking at Fubo stock, you shouldn't. Fubo stock gave us hope. It shows wonderful things can happen in the stock market, even for a small company like Fubo. It shows the power of each and every one of us human beings. You have the power. You just need to believe in yourself. Why does Bitcoin go up? Because more and more people are believing in it. Why does Tesla stock go up? People believe in Elon Musk. Well, I believe in you. Mary Jane sector is gravely wounded. Investor, scars are still fresh. It's blood in the street. Good time to buy. I believe we will make it to freedom. Please share this video to everyone you know, because together we are strong, free, and powerful as human beings. If you are looking for that 4th stock, check out Audacious Investing Club on my website.